What's up, YouTube? Do you believe in a parallel universe? Part 5. In Part 4, we discussed scientists discovering a parallel universe in a world in which you are 14 years old and you have the opportunity to have conversations with your 14-year-old self. Please click on that video for the full details and leave down in the comments what would you talk to your 14-year-old self about. In this video, scientists have discovered a parallel universe in which if you decide to travel and live in this parallel universe, you will become the best, number one, top of the top at whatever you choose to do. Number one, you will go down in history, movies will be made about you, books will be written about you. You will just be loved and adored and just considered number one in whatever it is you choose to do. For example, let's say you wanted to be an athlete. Well, there's basketball, football, baseball, soccer, hockey, the choices are endless. Let's say you wanted to be a performer of some type. Maybe a singer, right? Opera singer, country singer, maybe R&B, a rapper, or maybe it's a career. Maybe you wanted to be a scientist, a biophysicist, construction worker. I don't know why that came to my mind, but whatever it is, whatever you choose, the choice is yours. But once you made it to that parallel universe, you will be considered the best, number one, numero uno. So now my question is this: what would you choose to do? What would you choose to be number one in? What would you choose to be, what would you choose to go down in history as the absolute best at? Please leave that down in the comments. I'm definitely interested to hear what you all have to say about that. Maybe some dreams can be fulfilled. Hoping that someone here chooses basketball, right? And you know where I'm going with this. Please choose basketball and please join my beloved New York Knicks and make them a dynasty. Please. Please, please, I am dying to see that, and I want to see that before I leave this world. But what would you choose? What would you do? What would be the discipline, the thing that you want to be considered number one at? Boxing. Is it boxing? Is it ice skating? Is it as a teacher, principal? What is it? Please leave that down in the comments and let's talk about it and let's discuss it. Again, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for liking. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for subbing. I greatly appreciate it. I know I say this every video, but I'm serious. I really greatly appreciate the engagement on here. And for those of you that are not engaging on here, my hope is that you are taking these questions and maybe having discussions with other people outside of this. I think these questions are great conversation starters, or they're great icebreakers, whatever it is. And I hope that's happening as well. But thank you all so much. I greatly appreciate all of you. Love you all. This is DAYMUN'S Days, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Peace.